In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve video quality in Sora 2. Whether you're creating for YouTube or TikTok, getting your video quality just right is crucial, and Sora 2 can help you achieve those perfect visuals. Let's dive in with some essential tips to enhance your video content. First things first, you want to start with crafting a clear and detailed prompt. This is the backbone of your video creation. Imagine describing a scene like a fluffy cat walking along a sunny beach playing with seashells. Think about the details. You want to emphasize the fur texture, expressive eyes, natural lighting, and an overall realistic appearance. Always include character traits, actions, and settings to maintain consistent visuals throughout the video. Uploading a reference image related to your prompt can guide Sora 2 in producing the visual nuances you're aiming for. Moving on, incorporating quality and style keywords into your prompt is a game changer. Phrases like high detail, vibrant colors, and cinematic lighting help guide Sora 2 to produce sharper and more polished videos. Keywords that emphasize dynamic motion and realistic shadows can enhance the depth and richness of your video, making it look closer to what you originally envisioned. Next, let's talk about choosing the right aspect ratio and orientation. Depending on your platform, the format is key. For YouTube, a landscape orientation with a 16:9 aspect ratio is ideal. However, if you're targeting platforms like TikTok, you'll want to switch to a portrait orientation with a 9:16 ratio. This simple adjustment ensures your video displays optimally on these specific platforms, maximizing viewer engagement. Reference images are another fantastic tool in your kit. By uploading images of your characters or objects, you maintain consistency across your visuals. Keep your prompts consistent too, especially if you have recurring characters. Using the same description helps maintain continuity across multiple clips, making your videos feel more cohesive and professional. Finally, before diving into full-length videos, it's best to test short clips first. Start by generating a quick 3 to 5 second clip. This allows you to check the appearance and quality of your visuals, ensuring everything aligns with your vision before committing to a longer production. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of time and effort in the editing phase. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your video quality in Sora 2. Remember, clarity and consistency are your best friends in video production. With these guidelines, you'll be producing stunning, high-quality videos in no time. Happy creating, and see you in the next video.